Ying Stoller, Asian food cook, teacher, cookbook author, and entrepreneur, has brought her expertise to television, radio, print media, and trade shows. Now she brings it on the road.
I'm here at Six Flags. Today I'm going to do a Chinese cooking demo in the park. We have a lot of events going on for their special program called The Flavors of the World. So we have a lion dance and also traditional dance and face painting using Chinese zodiac, and also I'm going to do a delicious cooking demo. Let's get started. So I'm here at the China station. They are serving some delicious food. So the first item is youtiao. It's a Chinese donuts served for breakfast. It's delicious. And for Americans, we add some cinnamon sugar to make it sweet. It's delicious. You got to try. So this one uses Ying's youtiao mix. And you can find them in some grocery stores like Woodman's. And then we have other pork wings and also sticky buns with the sweet and sour pork. So they are delicious. Come and have a try. So now we are at the Korean station. They are also serving some delicious food. For example, they have a spicy fried chicken and also dumplings and another dish for people to try. So come and join the fun. Now it's time to make some delicious chicken vegetable stir fry. First, we're going to add a little oil. Then when the oil is hot, add some garlic. You can hear that sizzle sound. That means the oil is hot enough. Now let's add some thinly sliced chicken. Cook until it's almost rosy pink. Add our vegetables, pepper, and thinly sliced carrot. Keep stirring until the chicken is completely cooked. Then we add mushrooms. Keep stirring. Now it's time to add some sauce. Today I'm going to use Ying's stir-fry sauce. Smells delicious. Now let's give out some samples and see what people say.
This is delicious.
Very good. While everyone is enjoying their samples, let's watch the lion dance.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.